It worked. You didn't get hit in the face?
Daddy!
What?
There's something wrong with my spaceship.
Ha! You do look like an astronaut spaceman with my helmet on backwards. You're all hidden in there.
Daddy,
Does
there's
it?
something wrong with my spaceship.
Oh no! We have to fix it?
There's fire coming out of it.
Oh no! Well, let's call the fire department.
No, that's okay. I got a fire hose.
You do? Oh, you can fix it? We better do it then. Quick, before the whole thing goes up in flames. Are you going to do the paddle ball?
No, this is my engine.
Oh, your engine.
And I started with bouncing it. See, that makes it start and I put that down and I shut up.
And shut it up. And that way it can't hit you?
Open.
You okay?
Shut.
Shut.
I know. I forgot the bouncing thing.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the last time though.
Shut.
Shut.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, I want to. I'm starting a pinch.
The pinches.
This one jacket.
The pinches?